Hi everyone, welcome to Upedia and this is Shikha. So guys, if you are also shortlisted for the NHPC training officer as in law, right? So this video is very helpful, is going to be very informative for all of you as we are going to discuss about various HR domain question in this particular documentation and in this video, right? So this documentation which you can see on my screen is very helpful and it is covering a vast range of HR question. And let me tell you, HR round is something which is very important for your final selection. As you have cleared your main exam, that's why you got shortlisted. But you also need to beat the interview round, which is showcasing your personality, which is showcasing your confidence level and your knowledge related to your organization and your field, right? So we'll talk about the NHPC and we'll talk about the roles and responsibility and various HR question of as a training officer as in law, right? So in my previous video we have also covered the NHPC training officer HR, right? These are the highlights, these are the things which we are going to cover about basic knowledge, scenario based question, technical, legal and leadership management. Number of HR questions we are going to discuss. See, as you can see on my screen, this is about the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation basically. It has been established in 1975 and its headquarters is basically in Faridabad, Haryana. It's a big organization basically, also as it's in hydroelectric, but still it is also working in the sector of renewable energy sources, that is solar and wind, right? It's basically working on the sustainable eco-friendly power generation. Okay, so these are some things about the NHPC you can read out properly, right? And these are key highlights of NHPC we have just discussed. It has been founded in 1975 and headquarters in Faridabad, Haryana. Also, it is giving the providing 7,000 of megawatt electricity, and across the India it has 24 power stations are there. It can be very important HR question that how many power stations of NHPC have been established in across India, right? So these are some things. Position. What do you mean by training officer as in law? It is basically, it's a it ensures the compliance with the legal and regulatory frameworks, which is overseeing, which is monitoring and supervising all these legalities and regulatory frameworks, right? This particular position includes legal matters, drafting and reviewing contracts, okay, ensuring adherence to laws and providing strategic legal advice to the company. Okay, so contract law, corporate law, these kinds of all have been overseen by the training officer law. So coming towards a very important point of discussion, that is general HR question related to NHPC training officer law post. So first of all you have to introduce yourself, and then NHPC, what do you know and how you're going to be fit for this role, what motivates you to work in this energy sector, NHPC contribution to the India energy independence, what are your short term and long term plans and goals, achievement you are particularly proud of, so you must prepare for your achievements, failures, regret, right? How are you going to be handle the situations where you feel unprepared? प्रोफेशनल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आपका सक्सेस से क्या मीनिंग है, ठीक है? अगर ये जॉब आपको मिलती है तो हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी मेक अ मीनिंगफुल इम्पैक्ट विद इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर, राइट? एंड अप्रोच फीडबैक एंड क्रिटिसिज्म. Next, I would say legal knowledge and experience question. See, this is related to your field, this is related to your organization that for which you are preparing and for which department you are basically going for. That is legalities and regulatory frameworks. So about the laws, norms has been made, act related to an electricity, something like that. These kinds of question is going to be asked by the examiner. That is principles of drafting legal contracts. क्या है प्राइमरी प्रिंसिपल्स, ठीक है? फोर्स मेजोर का एज इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ क्या कंसेप्ट है, ठीक है? डिफरेंस क्या होता है स्टैट्यूटरी लॉ एंड कॉमन लॉ में? एक्सपीरियंस विद लिटिगेशन एंड डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन के साथ आपका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो, ठीक है? एंड कंप्लायंस विद एनवायरमेंटल रेगुलेशन इन लार्ज प्रोजेक्ट्स, लीगल ड्यू डिलिजेंस इन मर्जर्स एंड एक्वेशंस, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट ऑफ 2003, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट दैट? Intellectually property law play in energy sector, एंड बेसिकली लीगल मैटर्स पे आप कैसे काम करने वाले हो इन्वॉल्विंग पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनीज, राइट. Next is behavioral question. This is approaching your behavior, how you are going to be react to a particular situation, how you're going to be handle the situational question, right? So this is basically something, as you can see, how you mediate the conflict between how you're going to be handle a situation, stressful situation को आप कैसे handle करोगे, ठीक है. एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स को जहाँ पे टेस्ट हो रही हैं उस सिचुएशन को कैसे एनकाउंटर करोगे, ठीक है. प्रोफेशनलिज्म को कैसे मेंटेन करोगे इन चैलेंजिंग वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, राइट. एंड सिचुएशंस को कैसे हैंडल करोगे जहाँ पे कलीग्स आपके डिसएग्री हैं आपके लीगल एडवाइस से. एंड चैलेंजिंग डिसीजन कैसे लोगे, व्हाट मोटिवेट्स योरसेल्फ एंड अदर्स इन योर टीम. सम इंपॉर्टेंट HR क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू बिहेवियर, सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. This particular scenario can be taken place in your organization in NHPC as well. So how are you going to be deal with that, right? That is basically, as you can see that if you have a dispute with a contractor, if your legal advice is not working properly, if it is not fruitful, if it is not meaningful, then how you're going to be play very good role in organization, right? So basically, see, these are some HR question. If you are given ambiguous instructions about a legal matter, how would you handle it? Like, unsure or kind of you're not sure about that. Suppose you are asked to negotiate with a third party on behalf of NHPC. What do you approach be? Now, these are some situational scenario based question. Unexpected regulatory inspection. How are you going to be prepared for that? Right? NHPC face litigation. So how are you going to be respond towards that? अगर कोई टीम मेंबर कंपनी की पॉलिसी को वायलेट करता है तो आपकी लीगल रिकमेंडेशन क्या होंगी, ठीक है. एंड इफ यू फाउंड एनी डिस्क्रिपेंसीज इन क्रिटिकल लीगल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सो हाउ डू यू फाउंड दैट एंड हाउ डू यू सिनेरियो जहाँ पे दो डिपार्टमेंट हैं एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो रहे हैं इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ अ लीगल क्लॉज, हाउ आर गोइंग टू बी हैंडल दैट. दीज आर सम थिंग्स. टेक्निकल लीगल क्वेश्चन, सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स से क्या होता है, कॉर्पोरेट लॉ क्या होता है, पब्लिक प्रोक्योरमेंट पॉलिसी, एप्लीकेशंस टू PSUs, एंड हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी इंटरप्रेट एंड अप्लाई द आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कॉन्सिलिएशन एक्ट 1996, मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म लीगल रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, एंड डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ एस्टेपल. रेलेवेंट एग्जाम्पल दो, ये एक टर्म आपको पता होनी चाहिए और उसके बाद ही आप इसका एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो, ठीक है. फ्रेमवर्क कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस इन इंडिया, ठीक है, इन NHPC एज वेल, ठीक है. हाउ गोइंग टू बी इवेलुएट द इंटरनेशनल enforceability ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, NHPC से रिलेटेड लीगल इम्प्लीकेशंस क्या हो सकते हैं हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स में ऑन लोकल कम्युनिटीज, ठीक है. NHP कैसे इंश्योर करता है कंप्लायंस विद एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट. चैलेंज क्या है रेगुलेटरी अप्रूवल्स और लार्ज स्केल प्रोजेक्ट्स को सिक्योर करने के लिए. लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सर्टिफिकेशन, राइट टू फेयर कंपेंसेशन एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 2013, लीगल कंसिडरेशन फॉर फाइनेंसिंग एनर्जी प्रोजेक्ट. दीज आर सम टेक्निकल लीगल क्वेश्चन. Challenges to hydropower companies face concerning climate change projects. Leadership and management. How you can be a good leader, how you can be a good manager, right? How you're going to be handle, all the things basically. What is your management style? What is your leadership style basically, right? For which thing basically you're particularly inclined. These can be the things, this can be the question can ask by you. Long term goals पे आप कैसे focus करोगे, कैसे motivate रहोगे, गुड लीडरशिप को कैसे डिफाइन करोगे, परफॉर्मेंस की, टीम मेंबर्स की परफॉर्मेंस को कैसे इवेलुएट करोगे विदाउट एनी बायसनेस. एथिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग क्वेश्चंस, सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करोगे जहां पे लीगल इंटरेस्ट जो है कंपनी के वो एथिकल कंसिडरेशन है, मतलब एथिक्स वर्सेस प्रॉफिट का कंसेप्ट जहां पे आ जाता है, तो हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी डील विद दैट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट HR क्वेश्चन, राइट. अनएथिकल बिहेवियर अगर आपने डिस्कवर किया डिपार्टमेंट में तो आप उसको कैसे एड्रेस करोगे, आप या आपके टीम मेंबर्स ने किया है. एथिकल प्रिंसिपल से ऑपोजिशन कोई है तो हाउ गोइंग टू बी स्टैंड बाय. ट्रांसपेरेंसी को लीगल प्रोसेसेस में कैसे लेके आओगे. एथिक्स क्या रोल प्ले करते हैं ड्राफ्टिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड लीगल एग्रीमेंट्स में. लूप होल्स क्या हैं एंड लीगल मैटर्स. कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन लीगल एंड नॉन लीगल टीम्स, need to be check it out, explain complex legal information to someone without a legal background. ठीक है, misunderstanding, miscommunication को how you going to be address, how you are going to be build strong professional relationships, maintain professionalism with difficult conversations, situations also, adaptability and learning skills, how you going to be make yourself learning at every stage of your life and in the organization itself, how you're going to be a good adapter in different scenarios, different kind of situations. This can be your HR questions related to your organization as well. Updated changes in laws and regulations, ठीक है, अनफेमिलियर लीगल इश्यूज को कैसे डील करोगे, कुछ पॉलिसीज और लॉज को कैसे लर्न करोगे जो आपके रोल के लिए बहुत फिट है और न्यू है, ठीक है, फीडबैक और क्रिटिसिज्म को कैसे हैंडल करोगे, एम्ब्रेस कॉन्टिन्यूस लर्निंग को आपके करियर में क्या मोटिवेट करता है, कन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन, टू पार्टीज टू टीम के बीच में कैसे कन्फ्लिक्ट रिजॉल्व करवाओगे एंड डी एस्केलेट टेंशंस ड्यूरिंग नेगोशिएशंस, ठीक है, सक्सेसफुली आपको अगर आपने कभी कोई सिचुएशन को सक्सेसफुली हैंडल किया है ड्यूरिंग वर्क प्लेस डिस्प्यूट, यू कैन शेयर विद दैट, दिस कैन बी द HR क्वेश्चन. So these are some important HR question basically. Diversity and inclusion पे, वर्क प्लेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी होती है, how you going to be include and how you going to be approach with the deal with the diversity at the workplace, diversification at the roles and responsibilities, and legal policies reflect the company's commitment, ठीक है, and how you going to be create a welcoming and inclusive environment for employees for diverse backgrounds. Yeah, how going to be, what are the strategies you going to be used to educate others about the importance of diversity. So these are some important HR question related to NHPC trainee officer as in law, ठीक है, law is your basically department and your field, और आप NHPC में अगर जा रहे हो, if you get shortlisted for this guys, so ये कुछ important HR question है that can be help you out to prepare for your interview round, right? Please don't forget to download this documentation from your PDF panel. You can read it out, prepare it out. Almost everything which is very important are already highlighted, but still you can read it by your own way, right? But don't forget to practice these HR round, because that's very important. Only by just reading cannot help you out. You also need to be practice it out with the mentors as well. So if you are from low background, this is for them also if you are shortlisted for the trainee officer as in low post. So must aware about the legalities and formalities of low legal matters, and specifically you need to make yourself updated current legal matters and affairs in the country. All the very best and prepare it well.